Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got these RIVBOS kids sunglasses, and we're gonna give these things a try. They come with a little strap and stuff. We're gonna see if they would work on my doggy. But let's see what we got here. So there's the box. The glasses are in here. Stay here, Penny. And then, oh, what did I drop? Anything? Or did you just walk? You just took a step. Okay, so this is what they look like here. So they've got little the little strap here so you can strap it on. Let's see, how does it go? It goes like that. And then this side here, oh, it just clips into the little hole. Make it go there. So let's see if I can do that. There we go. So there, and now we have the strap on it. Now let's see what my little puppy, if she likes it. There you go, Penny. Look, this is what it looks like with a dog with sunglasses. How cool is that? Oh man, she is the coolest cat in town, right? Or coolest doggy. You like that, Penny? Good girl. So this is what it looks like on my little puppy. So if you have a little baby or something like that, let me take these off for a second, put you down. But yeah, so it's good because it's got a strap, and the strap is adjustable, so you can set it for whatever lengths for your little child. But these are sweet, and then it kind of rotates around that way, I guess, so it locks itself in place. But really cool, nice little sunglasses. I like them. Thumbs up.